In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download or install the right Storytel app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, to get started, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store on your Android smartphone. This is the platform where you can download an app on your Android smartphone. So if you tap on Play Store, now you'll see we have a search option here. Go ahead and search for your app. If you can't see this, you can also use the search icon here, and this will allow you to search for any app. So I'll go ahead and search for Storytel, and to get it, go ahead and tap on search icon here, and you can see this is the app. If you open it, you can see it is from Storytel Sweden AB app. That is the company. And at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4 with over 472,000 reviews. The app currently has over 10 million downloads, and the file size for this app is 23 MBs. So you can see the logo, and now to get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Storytel audiobooks app, then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open here to start using it. Or now if you go back to your apps, now you should be able to see your app here. So if you open it, you can see this is the home or the welcoming interface, and now you can go ahead and sign up for an account to start using the app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.